Hello guys, good afternoon. This is again Ronald. I'm gonna do some unboxing. I bought online at eBay. It's a nice deal. It's alpine Swiss messenger bag, leather bag. So it was originally um, like $200 plus, and then I just bought it for $50. So it's a steal. So before anything else, time check. So this is Tissot chronograph automatic. Um, you could see the back case. So without further ado, I'm gonna unbox. Okay, so this is the box. Open it. Smells leather. So guys, originally this alpine Swiss bag, it has a MSRP of $295. Yeah, $295. So I was wrong. I thought it was 200. So I bought this only for $50 at eBay. So I was looking for a bag that I'm gonna use at school to put my things, and it was started like $80. The seller placed it amounted to $80. So no one's bidding. So place a bid for $50 and then ended up as the highest bidder. Because sometimes guys, when you bid during weekends, there are less bidders. So technically, more often, in my case, I end up the highest bidder and win or won the item when the bidding stops or ends. So let's see all our leathers. So all leathers. Remove this and see alpineswiss.com. So there are different items, shoes, bags, other leathers, wallets, shoes. So this is a steal. $50 MSRP of $295, and you cannot break that price. $50. So I'm gonna put my laptop here. I'm gonna use this at school. So it has also the strap. See, the buckles are nice, steel, not cheap materials. So yeah, I mean, it's all good, all are nice. Very clean. Smells brand new. Smells technically brand new. So that's all. Hope you could, find some a good deal either in Amazon or eBay. Just be patient and just keep, look around and just save it in your wish list. And then you could find a nice deal in the end. So see, $50.